for just a moment, a yellow sky. When I was 17, a hurricane destroyed my town. I did found, couldn't seem to die. I rode my way out, put everything down far as I could see. I rode my way out, I looked up and the town had its eyes on me. The past played around, total strangers, moved to kindness by my story. It's enough for me to book passage on a ship that was New York bound. I rode my way out of hell, I rode my way to revolution. I was laughing in a cracking spell, heroin lines, love letters of Dutch Bell. I wrote about the Constitution and defended it well. In the face of ignorance and resistance, I don't financial system into existence. And when I praise to God for vengeance and deliverance, I picked up a pen and I wrote my own deliverance. In the eye of a hurricane that is quiet for just a moment, a yellow sky. I was 12 when my mother died. She was holding me. We were sick and she was holding me, and I couldn't seem to die. Wait, I'll ride the way out, put everything down far as I could. This way has its way out, overwhelmed with honesty. This is the eye of a hurricane. This is the only way I can protect my legacy. The rails